Hi all, good evening. So, welcome to AllPro Trainings. First of all, thank you for joining us today. So, for this webinar, a warm welcome to each and everyone who joined this RPA webinar. Myself Sheila from AllPro Trainings is presenting this webinar to you. So, before we start, I would like to explain you about today's demo agenda. So first 10 minutes, I will be giving you a brief introduction about AllPro trainings. After that, the participant introduction, it is for 5 minutes. Followed by that, the webinar content will be taken by the trainer for 45 minutes. Then followed by the query session, it is for 20 minutes. After that, we'll be explaining you about the student guide for 5 minutes. Then the APT offer session, it is for 5 minutes. And finally, we'll be sharing you our students a review video, as well as I will be sharing you the feedback form link. So please wait till the end of the webinar. So we'll be sharing the feedback form link only at the end of the webinar. The participants who need the certificates, they should attend the webinar fully and fill the feedback form completely to get the certificate. So the e-certificate will be sent to your email ID that you gave in the feedback form within a week. So please attend the webinar fully. So now I am sharing AllPro welcome video. Kindly watch it. So thanks for watching. Now I will be presenting the AllPro profile. So AllPro Trainings Private Limited is an Indian government approved company that offers a wide range of technology and soft skill training services to students, freshers, as well as experienced professionals to level up their career. We provide training in IT, information technology, electrical and electronics, as well as soft skill courses. And our vision is to provide professional training to more than 10 million people worldwide. Our mission is to provide high quality training with well experienced trainers. Telling about our timeline, in Jan 2020, Institute was founded and the first batch of students enrolled. In 2021, we successfully expanded college and corporate trainings. In 2022, we formed a partnership with the foreign clients. In 2023, we launched internship training programs. In 2024, we reached 30,000 plus students globally. And in 2025, we are recognized as a leading training institute. So our services include individual training, corporate training, as well as college training. So in individual training, we provide a free webinar, which you are attending now. It covers overview of the technology. Free e-certificate will be provided to all participants. Then the flash course, our workshop, it is for 5 to 10 hours of live workshop. It covers basics of the technology. Then the full course, it is for around 35 hours of live practical classes designed to work on live projects and to achieve professional certifications. So we have students from India's major cities as well as from USA, Canada, Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, UK, Africa, and all over the world. Why to choose us? You can learn at your convenient timing. Practical live hands-on sessions will be helping you in resume preparation. Sample resumes will be provided. Mock interview will be conducted. Interview questions will be provided. Lifelong community will be support will be provided by us. Job guidance will be provided until you get a job. Then course completion certificate will be provided by our institute. Daily job links will be shared in our WhatsApp channel. Then LinkedIn recommendation will be provided. So we have certification vouchers for all technologies, and we have consultancy also. So if there is any recommend from our clients, we'll be referring our students. These are the list of courses offered by us: RPA in RPA, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Pega, Power Automate, then Cloud Computing, Artificial Intelligence, Front-end Developer, ERP tools, Backend Developer, Database, Testing related courses, CRM tools, then ETL, Programming Languages, Business Analyst, App Development, Data Science, Power Platform, BPM tools, then other courses like Digital Marketing, Mendix, Blockchain, and Electrical and Electronic courses, as well as soft skill courses. And we are proud to be an Indian government approved private limited company. Our official WhatsApp and Instagram accounts are Meta verified for liability. Telling about our social media reach, we have 1,35 plus followers, in 35,000 plus followers in all social medias. We got 4.8 ratings from 390 plus verified reviews. We have a 10K plus followers in LinkedIn, 2K plus the subscribers in YouTube, and 1K plus subscribers in Twitter. Then we are also available in Facebook. We have 80K plus followers in Facebook, 20K plus followers in Instagram, then 15K followers in our WhatsApp groups, then 2K plus followers in Telegram, and 1K subscribers in Threads. These are our existing clients: TCS, Accenture, HCL. These are the certifications clear by our students: UiPath, RPA Associate, UiPath Advanced RPA Developer, then Blue Prism related, AWS, Power BI Data Analyst, Salesforce, React.js, PMP, Oracle. So that's about our profile. Now I will be explaining you about our student guide. So the APT student guide explains how we provide training to our students and how it helps them to secure job worldwide. And first one is the simple learning methodology. Each day we will be having a 1 hour class divided into 4 sessions. And session 1 is for 5 minutes. It's a quick revision and doubt clearance from the previous class. And session 2 is for 25 minutes. The trainer teaches the particular day topic for 15 minutes, followed by the student will be doing hands-on practice for 10 minutes. Then the session 3 is for 25 minutes. The trainer teaches the next topic for the day for 15 minutes, followed by the student will be doing hands-on practice for that topic for 10 minutes. And the session 4 is for 5 minutes. It's recap of class with the trainer. This is the learning pyramid. This shows that reading alone provides 10% understanding. Images and videos provides 20% understanding. Then observing presentation provides 30% understanding. Group discussions can provide 50% understanding. So hands-on practice provides 75% learning, and teaching concepts to others boosts 90% understanding. So our students are trained to the level where they can work on any live projects. What is your goal now? So everyone will be having different goals, like getting a new job, switching jobs, learning new technology, and someone will be looking for internal transfer within the company. So why we couldn't reach our goal set? So it's all because of our habit, and because of our habit we couldn't reach our goal set. And first one is wasting time. We'll be spending too much time on social media and talking about unnecessary things that don't help us. Then the no daily plan. It's starting the day without a clear plan or priorities, causing confusion. And third one is not acting. We talk about our goals, but we don't take any regular steps to achieve them. And the habit loop helps you to create a systematic learning path for career success. And the habit loop have three components. First one is the cue. It's redirecting students' time from unproductive activities to focus learning. And second one is the routine. Daily you'll be having class on a fixed timing. So attending daily live classes in a disciplined manner, you'll be gaining knowledge and reaching your goal. So plenty of online videos are available nowadays. So why you have to choose live classes? So online videos have many disadvantages. First one is it has unstructured content, but when you attend live classes, there will be well structured and organized learning. There is no way to ask question when you refer online videos, but in live class, you can ask the trainer questions immediately during the live class. The trainer is unaware of individual students when you refer online videos, but in live class, the trainer knows each student personally. There is no personal experience sharing when you refer online videos, but in live class, the trainer shares real-time project experience with the students. And there is no follow-up on homework when you refer online videos, but in live class, the trainer follows up daily and ensures homework is completed before moving to the next topic. And online videos are available for a long time, but due to habits and distractions, we haven't learned effectively. But live classes help restructure habits, making it easier to learn. So AllPro learning format is a combination of e-learning, e-coaching, collab learning, and virtual classroom. The advantages over other institutes is we allow only 5 students per batch, while other institutes add 50 to 200 students, making it hard to focus on individual students. Our trainers offer personal attention and promote interactive learning. We provide downloadable live recordings. Most other institutes do not allow recording for lifetime access. Fingertip materials, all your live classes will be recorded and you can download the recordings. Class notes will be provided in PDF or PPT format, and the required software and licenses will also be provided. All materials will be provided in the shared drive link. And this is the minimum market salary. If you have like 3 to 4 years of experience, you should get at least 8 to 10 lakhs per annum salary. So if you're not getting this salary, you should upskill yourself and switch your jobs. Okay, now it's participant introduction time. So participants, please introduce yourself, mentioning your name and your profession, whether you are working professional or a student. Please introduce yourself in chat box. So participants, please introduce yourself in the chat box. Please mention your name, your profession, like are you a working professional or a student? Yeah, hi Kumar, welcome. Hi there, student. Hi, Prishala, welcome. Fresher looking for a job. Great. Hi, Argya, student. Hi, Lokesh, working professional. Hi, Janani. Hi, Ishan from Delhi. Hi, Gautam, student. Hi, Sujay, student. Hi Kumar, a working professional. Hi Kavir, as a student. Hi Verda. Hi Hardik. Yeah, please everyone introduce yourself. Hi Beatrice. Hi Faisal. Hi Salam. Hi Fatina. Hi Pooja. Hi Vaishnavi. Hi Marshika. Hi Mohammed. Hi Shiva. Hi Sibi. Hi Manish. Hi Bhavesh. Yeah, welcome you all to this RPA webinar. So today we have our trainer, Mr. Vimal, a well-experienced trainer. He already given training to many of our students. Welcome, Mr. Vimal. We are glad to have you here. So you can proceed now.
So, hello everyone. Good evening. A warm welcome to all of you joining today's Power Automate RPA Developer Demo class. So, my name is Vimal. For the next 30 minutes, I'll be taking you through an exciting journey into the world of automation. Think of this session as the movie trailer of our full 30-day course. I'll give you a clear, practical, and realistic understanding of what Power Automate is, why Power Automate is, why companies are investigating Power Automate, what exactly you'll learn in 30 days program, and what kind of project you'll be able to build, and we'll see a quick way of how Power Automate looks as well. So get comfortable and let's begin. So first things first, what is Power Automate? So Power Automate is a Microsoft's automation platform. It allows you to create your own automations, bots, workflows, and integrations without writing any heavy code. It has two major components: Power Automate Desktop. This Power Automate Desktop is a Microsoft's RPA, which is Robotic Process Automation Tool. Power Automate Desktop lets you automate tasks on your computer like a human. For example, clicking a button, typing into applications, opening Excel files, reading PDFs, moving files from one place to one folder, filling the forms on the website, opening the website, logging in as a user through the website, copy pasting the data, extracting the information. So basically, this Power Automate Desktop is like a robot sitting inside your computer who's going to do all the work for you without you even telling. You just need to systemize your flow or tell him what needs to be done daily. Even before you wake up or even if you are sleeping, he will do that work for you. He's like your personal assistant robot who's gonna work for you and you're gonna have the extra time. So the next part is Power Automate Cloud. So this is the cloud part of automation. Here flow runs automatically based on the triggers. Basically, what is trigger? Triggers are nothing but the point the flow should start run. So if the flow wants to run, if the automate should start, there is some starting point where it should trigger the flow. Like event should happen. The events like when a new email arrives to your computer for your email address. So that time you're receiving an email from from anyone, and you want to read the data from that email and send it to your local notification. Like instead of reading the whole email, you want it to be like a short summary quick through version, which Power Automate will do for you and send it to you so you can able to know what the email is without reading the whole email itself. So there are like multiple triggers available right now. Like the common example or like a more used triggers are when an email arrives, a flow can trigger. When a file is uploaded to your OneDrive, a flow can trigger. when a SharePoint item is created, when a scheduled time occurs. In a Power Automate cloud, you can connect to more than 1,000+ applications. So Outlook, Excel Online, Teams, SharePoint, Dataverse, Gmail, Twitter, SQL, etc., and many more. And all these connectors are inbuilt and coming with the Microsoft Power Automate. You don't have to create anything on your own. You just need to search the name, the connectors will come up, you need to connect it, put your data, sign in the connector, you're good to go. So in simple words, Cloudflow handles triggers and backend logic. Desktop flow handle the local automation and robotic process automation inside your computer. As I said, cloud is for your online data and online automations, where Power Automate Desktop is your local assistant inside your computer who will work for you. Together, they make one of the powerful automation tools available today. So think of Power Automate as your digital assistants. You design it once and it takes care of repetitive work for you 24/7. Next. Why you have to learn Power Automate? You might be wondering, why learn Power Automate? What's the benefit? Let me break down. Companies across every industry like HR, finance, banking, IT, customer support are moving toward automation because basically it saves hundreds of hours. You don't have to do a daily Excel data entry, which takes like 2 to 3 hours from your daily time. If you did one proper automation, that Excel data entry or like whatever the data entry will be done within few seconds, which you don't even have to intervene. So it saves hundreds of hours. It reduces manual errors. It improves efficiency. It standardizes business processes. It reduces cost. So as you know, Power Automate is one of the fast growing automation platforms. A lot of companies are literally moving away from other RPA tools like UiPath and automation anywhere because Power Automate is cheaper, first of all. Deep integration with Microsoft 365 is there. As you know, it's from Microsoft. So all the Microsoft product environment is easily interconnectable. Supports both cloud and desktop automations. It requires low code or no code at all. So you don't need any coding skills, which is easy for business users and developers as well. So it is not restricted only to the experienced IT professional. Even a fresher, a student can learn this, even a business professional can learn this and automate anything. So for you as a learner, this means a massive job opportunities for you. High demand in IT and even non-IT industries. As I said, data entry also has Power Automates. Ability to automate your own daily tasks. A strong skill that will stand out in your resume once you know the Power Automate. So learning Power Automate is not just a skill, it's a
Hi,
career
Vimal.
transforming product.
Vimal, its slides are not changing. It's in the first slide.
Yep. Let's go one by one to take care. So understanding the Power Automate architecture. Now let's understand how Power Automate works behind the scenes. We are not going to go too technical, just enough to give you clarity. The architecture is very simple. As you say, user design flows. The user is nothing but you. You're going to design your automation using a drag and drop interface. Connectors. Connectors are the pre-built connection to the external applications. There are like currently more than 1,000+ connectors such as Excel, Outlook, SharePoint, Dataverse, SAP, Gmail, and SQL. Think of them as a ready-made cables where you just need to connect to your system and your automate to the other systems. That's it. You're going to connect from here to here, application to application, automate stuff. Cloud services. Microsoft Cloud runs your flows. It listens for triggers, execute logics, create files and updates. Desktop agent. Desktop agent is used for Power Automate Desktop, where you'll be opening applications, clicking on-screen elements, reading PDFs, and typing text. This is where a mimics robot doing the human actions. AI Builder. So AI Builder adds intelligence like extracting a data from the invoices, reading handwriting notes, detecting objects, or performing sentiment analysis. This is used in advanced automations. So course flow, which is modules. The most important part is what are we going to exactly learn in our next 30-day course? We structure this course into 4 powerful pillars: setup and basics, which is installing the Power Automate, understanding the flow designer, create, edit, use variable data types, learn recording and playbacks. So all your system setups, Power Automate environment, A to Z will be taken care. Then automation skills. Okay. I think my screen is not visible. Is it fine now? Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, now it's okay.
So yeah, we were in course flow. Sorry for inconvenience. If it's possible, I'll share you the document with you guys. So let's see. As the close flow, the module starts with setup and basics, which is having the environment, Power Automate desktop, understanding the flow designer, create, edit, or run the flows using the variables, data types, and subflows, learn through recording and playbacks. So next is core automation skills. So this is where basically we'll be spending the most of our time. We'll learn conditional and loops, flow control, file and folder automations, Excel automations, email automations, PDF text extractions, how to process the PDF data, how to process the text data, database automations, how to get the data from the database, how to send the data to the database. So these skills are what 90% of corporate automations needed. So next is advanced automation, which is advanced robotic process automation. We go beyond basics here. Once the setup and basics and core automation is done, we'll be going to the advanced automation, where we'll be doing UI automation, web automation, mouse and key automation, dynamic selectors, spy modes, exception handling, etc., and retry logic. So at this level, you'll automate websites, like how to open it, how to log in through website, how to click the buttons on the website, legacy apps, how to connect through the applications, how to manipulate, how to send my data, how to retrieve data, internal portals, screen that don't expose elements. So next part is cloud automation. So on the cloud side, we learn starts with trigger, manual, schedule, automated, then SharePoint connector for database, OneDrive connector, Dataverse connector, team-based workflows, API calls, and advanced expressions. So Power Automate uses a low-code language called PowerFX. This PowerFX is not a coding language. It's a command level language where you'll be using, like how Excel has its own language, which is like a formula based, like A plus B, adding the one cell to another cell will give you the third cell's result. In that same way, Power Automate has its own language called PowerFX. If you learn the PowerFX in the Power Automate, it will be used for Power Apps as well, because both shares the same type of formulas and same type of commands. So it's like an added bonus for you guys. And those Power FX formulas also you guys will be like learned through this course. which is advanced expression under the advanced expression. We'll also build approval flows, notification flows, auto documentation workflows, API-driven integrations. And on the final week, we'll be seeing performing a real world project such as how to do a HR onboarding automation, like this examples I'm saying here, automated invoice processing, auto ticket creation, web scraping, Excel to SharePoint and SharePoint to team workflows, intelligent PDF data extraction, like if you are receiving one PDF or uploading a PDF through a website or like to a database, how to get that PDF and how to extract the information inside that PDF and how to summarize it in a short and read it, and how else how to store it in the other page. So by the end of the course, you'll guys be job ready. So the real world or real industry use cases. So let me show you some real business use cases where Power Automate is heavily used. First is HR use case, resume extraction automation. So as a consider yourself as a HR of a company where you will be receiving 1,000+ applications in a single day. We are just humans. We can't open each and every resume and select, reject. We can't do it. It might take like months of your time. So this job, we are gonna simple automation can do this months of job in just few minutes. A candidate emails a resume. We are triggering the flow. A flow reads the email and it will extract the resume from the email, which is extract the attachment, and it uploads to the SharePoint or like whatever the database with a summary or else with the specific keywords mentioned in the resume. And it notifies the HR on Teams, says that this candidate has the skill set what we are looking for. The keywords are matching. Or if it doesn't find, because as you know, now Power Platform or Power Automate is equipped with the powerful AI, which can read each and every line of your resume or data, whatever has been received on your system. And it can go through the data for you within seconds and extract the specific keywords you're looking for. And if it finds the keyword, it will notify the HR that you found the right candidate. This candidate can be worthy. You can give it a shot. If no keywords or no exact words what we are looking for is not provided, the system itself can simply mark this candidate doesn't have a required skill sets or doesn't have exact skills what we are looking for. Keep him in a reject state. So this is how easily you can able to filter out the resumes without even you intervene. Like everything is automated. You receive a mail, it will process, it will give you the notification as well by saying this is worthy, this is not worthy. As you are guys, I think you guys have heard about ATR, which is ATS, which is like a resume reviewer, which is used in the HR used by the HRs in the corporates. It will give you the ATS score. If the score is above 90, HRs will consider your resume. If your score is like below 90, the HR will not consider your resume. So that's how it works. Anymore, there is no human intervention in your recruitment process. It's always going to be automation. So, and you can be that HR who does this automation and do your jobs effectively. So in finance use cases, as you know, there will be day-to-day basis, you will be receiving invoices, you will be giving out invoices as a shop owner, as a business owner. So you can't able to record everything in the Excel sheet by your hands. You can make a sale up to like 1,000 to 1,500 sales you can make, but you can't enter every single sale of your own. So you can extract the PDF invoice data, specifically get the values, which is the numbers, amounts, and write the values into the Excel, send the status mail, move the PDF, archive it. Simple as that. Your data will be mentioned with today's date, moved to a specific folder with all the sales happened today. IT ticketing, auto ticket creation. So IT ticketing is nothing but consider yourself as a support agent who is working behind the IT team. So you'll be receiving call from the customers. Once the customer tells an issue, you don't have to create a issues by manually, like this customer call, this is the issue, this is what I'm gonna assign. Power Automate will take care of it. It will record your call. It will get that you just need to tell the call has been received. It automatically create ticket in Jira, apply tags, assign to the correct queue as well. It's as simple as that. Sales CRM automation. So this is syncs the leads between Excel and CRM, triggers the notification, auto update the records. It will give you the leads for the sales by saving it between the Excel and the CRM. CRM is nothing but customer relationship management. So it will trigger the notification for you to auto update the records as well for you. So these are the exactly the kind of scenarios you'll be able to automate, and these are the demands right now in the corporate world as well. So tools you'll be mastering here is first Power Automate Desktop, Power Automate Cloud, and all the connectors related to Power Automate. AI builders. AI builder is nothing but it's the AI enabled by the Power Automate itself, where you can able to read forms, read the data, summarize the data, everything. Dataverse. Dataverse is nothing but a database which is provided by Microsoft itself, where you can directly interact with your Power Automate. So all these tools you guys will be mastering, and you guys will get to know. Basically, after this, you'll be fully equipped to work as an RPA developer. So your outcome after 30 days will be like, by the end of this course, you'll be able to create both desktop and cloud flows, automate Excel, email, Outlook, PDFs, and web applications as well, handle the conditions, loops, errors, variables, etc., etc., manage the errors and exceptions as well, schedule and monitor automations, build complete end-to-end projects. So you won't just know as a theory, you'll actually build automations like real developers do in companies. So I'd like to show you guys how the Power Automate desktop looks like. So this is the Power Automate desktop environment, where on the left side, what you are seeing is called actions. The actions are nothing but a place where the automation or flows connectors will be residing. If you see, I simply can show you what is the Excel automation includes. So there starts from advanced to normal automations. This automation of Excel includes what and all possible for a man or a human can do manually can be done by the robot itself without giving a human intervention. For example, launch Excel, where you need to go and find the Excel in the search bar, and you need to like double click on it where it will open. You just need to launch the Excel. This launch Excel, if it will ask you want a blank data or you want to open the following document. Very simple as that. If you're giving the blank data and save it, if I run it, it will open the Excel for you in a seconds. You don't even have to search for anything. You don't even have to do anything. Excel has been opened in the other end, the other side. So not only Excel, there are like multiple connectors and actions and automation is possible here. starts from Excel to SharePoint, mouse and keyboards, UI automations, workstations, flow controls, loops, conditions, and variables. The next is, this is the interface of a Power Automate desktop. If you see Power Automate Cloud, so this is the Power Automate Cloud. This is how it looks like. So Power Automate Cloud handles the cloud automations. As I said, it interacts with your database. It manipulates your data. What? It can do more than that by sending the data, receiving the data, processing the data as well. So you see, so there are multiple triggers available in the Power Automate disk flow. Now, for example, trigger is where the flow starts. Trigger is the important point or important action of your Power Automate flow, where your flow will needs a event to happen. So it's everything starts with the trigger. Let's say I'll try to show some of the triggers. So these are the most commonly used triggers in the Power Automate flow. For example, if you see here, right? When a HTTP request is received, which is nothing but the flow will start running when someone try to contact your HTTP or when a data from the HTTP request is received. HTTP is nothing but an API call where you can see when you click on it, this HTTPS and HTTPS. So these are like the websites protector where there are two types of HTTP, HTTP and HTTPS. Everything will be learned in our class in depth. Where here, this is the starting point of your flow where when a HTTP request is received, which means whenever some request or data has been received to your system through HTTP, your flow will start going and it will continue. So like this, there are like 100+ trigger points based upon your needs or based upon the events you want. Let's say SharePoint. SharePoint is nothing but a database. We use it for in Power Automate. If you see, mostly in Power Automate, you'll be using SharePoint and Dataverse. Those are the inbuilt and easily feasible, easily connectable, easy database available for Microsoft Power Platform. So if you see for SharePoint, an item is created, which is nothing but when a data has been created in a SharePoint table, the flow will get triggered. That is one trigger point. When a file item is deleted, if someone deletes some item, right, that time also you can able to detect who deleted it, when they deleted it, and you can trigger your flow and send an email notification says that your data has been deleted. This is the data which has been deleted. When item is created or modified, which is nothing but if someone uploads a new data, you have to we get to know that something has been happened within your system. So directly go to this trigger and do the process automation. You're good to go. Your things will happen. So like this, there are multiple triggers based upon your needs and based upon your requirement. There are on the same way, there are 1,000+ connectors which will interact with the other applications. So whatever the application you need, like for example, Outlook, for example, Teams, SQL, SharePoint, Dataverse, all the connectors are available here. Even if there is some point you are not finding any connector which you need, you can able to create your own connector. The concept is called custom connector. You just need the API address of the website which you want to connect. You just need to add it in your Power Automate. You're good to go. Your custom connector has been created where you can name that connector anything. Even you can name your name as well for the names of connector, and you can able to use that connector for connect your website, which is a rare case where all the connectors are available in Power Automate. If that connector is not found, you can able to create your own connector. That's the concept. So, all right, I think you guys got some idea about the Power Automate desktop as well as the Power Automate cloud. So that brings us to the end of this demo session. So now you guys know what is Power Automate is, why it's powerful for the career skill, how the architecture looks like, and what you guys will be learning in our 30 days course and real world example and a quick look of what automation, how automation looks like, what are the connectors, what are the actions. If you found this helpful and exciting, I think you'll be loving the full program as well because you're gonna do this hands-on step by step. So now I'd like to take your questions. If you are like have any questions, we can shoot right now.
So it's query session now. Do you have any queries? Please ask in the chat box. Please ask your queries in chat box. So any queries you have, please ask in chat box. The trainer will reply.
Hello, ma'am. Chat box closed, ma'am.
Yeah, Suri, go ahead. Ask your question.
So someone asked whether the app is free to download Power Automate. Yeah, whether the Power Automate app is free to download.
Sorry, come again.
Yeah, whether the Power Automate app is free to download.
You can, it is free to download, but to use some of the connectors and everything premium connectors, we need to buy a subscription. A subscription won't cost you that much. A basic level subscription cost starts with 135 rupees. So you need little basic subscription you need, which you can access Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Automate Desktop, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent as well. Just for 135 rupees per month.
Is Power Automate is an open source application. Where to install it?
Come again, Sheila? Yeah.
Yeah, is Power Automate is an open source application. Where to install it?
It's not. Oh, it's you can able to download without paying anything. It is available in. You just need to type Power Apps, maker.powerapps.com. From there, you can able to download it. Cloud application don't need a download. You just directly go to the website and you can start using it. But for desktop portion, you can able to download it. Just click on Power Automate maker.powerautomatedesktop.com. You will be getting it. You can able to install it inside your system. And for using it, you can start with basics, but you can't do everything with the basic. So I'll recommend to buy a basic subscription, which I told already, 135 rupees. It's for learning the Power App, so that will work. Okay, let me.
What's the difference between RPA auto and AA automation?
AI automation is something. Suri, can you ask a question clearly? Which is RPA is nothing but a robotic process automation, which automates a local system, local computer, whatever is there inside a system can be automated. For example, opening the Excel, reading the data from the Excel, uploading it back, sending an email, those stuffs. Is it AI automation or UI automation you're talking about? So, Gautam, it requires any programming? No, it doesn't require any programming language. It is like how we use Excel. Excel is there is a formula. For example, Excel formulas look like is equal to and select one cell plus select the second cell. It will give you the answer of addition. In the same way, here also there is a language called PowerFX. This PowerFX is not a coding language. It's a formula based language. It's working in a tags, which having like a formula of how we are doing the addition in the Excel. Here the formula start like if you want to add something, you need to type add, open bracket, and there will be syntaxes like this I want to add with this, like that. There is no requirement of any programming language, to be straight. Okay, it's AI. AI automation is differ from RPA automation. AI automation cannot do your local works, local automations, where RPA can able to access to your local system and do the work for you. We can also use UiPath too. It's a free tool. Yes, that's why. As UiPath, it is a free tool. That's why there are a lot of limitation over there. And compared to Power Automate, UiPath is not widely used across the industries. And one more thing is Power Automate is from Microsoft, first of all, and it's been widely used throughout the world. And there are a lot of openings and opportunities out there. Naveen, I didn't get your question, Naveen. Why should I use Power Automate over 989? So 989, okay. This 989s, as I said, if you see the job, you just simple open the LinkedIn and go through the job section, check for the requirements, compare between 910, and then Power Automate job applications. Then you'll get to know why you choose Power Automate over 910. And one more thing is Power Automate, when you start learning, right? It's Power Apps plus Power Automate plus Power BI as well. So when it compare everything is being combined, you'll be called as Power Platform Programmer or Power Platform Developer, where you can work in individual applications as well as you will be working all the applications together as well. So Power Automate app requires you to be connected to cloud, even for desktop programming. No, Power Automate desktop doesn't need you to connect to a cloud for local programming. If you want the cloud programming needs you to connect to the cloud connectors, if you're automating your stuffs with SharePoint or database, those are like a cloud level stuff. So for that, you need to connect to the cloud. For the local programming local automation within your system doesn't need. Naveen Upadhyay. Yeah, we'll be providing both desktop and cloud in depth. For, as it says, 30 to 35 hours. We'll be covering 50 plus 50% classes along with the hands-on demos as well. You will be doing a daily homeworks. We'll be like whatever is being taught today will be given as a homework with a step-by-step execution. You guys gonna do it and come tomorrow. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. Like that, it will be. It will be hands-on along with a learning. So how it's possible in 1 month? So basically, it's 35 hours, which is more than enough, which is structured in a way where you will be handling, because first thing, it's 1 hour is teaching. Balance 1 to 1 hour, 2 hour is like how you're gonna do your homework. So I'll be teaching the steps what you're gonna do for today, basically. And I'll be giving you the scenario as well as like the scenario which covers all the actions and steps which you need to learn for the day. So it will be, if you compare it, it's not 35 hours, plus it's like 35 hours from my side, 30 to 35 by my side, plus including your homework, it might be around 70 to 80 hours. So it is very much possible. So how to land an RPA job? Which platform do you prefer for job seeking? So I'll prefer basically just Naukri and LinkedIn, which is more than enough. You have to not apply through LinkedIn. You have to get to know what companies have the opening for this RPA developer, and you need to approach the direct website. From there, you need to apply. You're not supposed to simply click on apply on the LinkedIn, which will most of the time won't reach the recruiter. So basically, you need to see where is the job opening is available to LinkedIn, and you need to go to that exact website, and you need to search for the career site and get the job and apply over there, which is more faster and effective. RPA is useful for healthcare and research department or not. Automation is helpful for each and every department available over there, where in every department there is something needs to be done daily. Even in health and research department, as you say, healthcare, you'll be doing at least a data entry basically, which needs a human power or human time to do with that. So each and every industries need an automation. If you need know the automation, you can able to automate it. It's simple as if you know automation, your life will be simpler and easier. Even for yourself, you can do some certain stuff. What are the certification programs available for Power Automate? Yeah, Power Automate certifications. Microsoft has its own certification program for Power Automate. For example, PL 500, which is the Power Automate developer certificate. You can take that certificate once you're done with the R courses. You can able to clear it. So it's called Power Automate RPA Developer Associate. The certificate is called. Once you're done with the course, you can able to schedule and take the exam. All those, whatever the syllabus over there, we are teaching in our class as well. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Vimal. It's a wonderful session. Thanks for sharing your knowledge.
Thank you.
So now I'm going to share one of our student review video. Kindly watch it.
So I took the course Power Automate Desktop and Cloud from AllPro Trainings here, and I got very good learnings and training from the team. The trainer Prashant is very helpful, and the team from AllPro Training are also very helpful in resolving the issues, etc. technically. And in my work also, the trainer has a little bit, and it was a very good experience. And I recommend AllPro Trainings for any further training.
Okay, now I am sharing you the offer session. So what offers we are providing for those who joined today? So those who need e-certificate, please wait till the end of the session. We will be sharing the feedback form link after this. So please wait. So AllPro training model. So we have two types of courses. One is the full course and another is the flash course. The full course is for around 35 hours. It's like 2,400 minutes, like 30 classes. It will be 75 minutes per day. And the training medium is either through GeoMeet or Zoom. Then the flash course, the training medium is either in GeoMeet or Zoom. The course duration will be like 5 to 10 hours. So we are announcing the RPA-Power Automate full course and the flash course offer today. And so can you guess what is the market price for RPA-Power Automate? So you can put in the chat any guesses on what is the market price for RPA? Okay, someone said it's 20,000. Please put in the chat what will be the market price for RPA Power Automate. Someone mentioned 30,000. Any guesses? Okay. So the market price for RPA full course is around 40K to 50,000. And for the full course is 12K to 15K. So we are not giving on this price. So for you people, we are about to give a small offer for you. So the AllPro Trainings price for the RPA Power Automate course, you can guess in the guess what will be the what you'll be expecting from AllPro Trainings. You can mention in the chat box. Just mention your price in the chat box. What will be the expected fee for RPA Power Automate full course and flash course from your end? Yeah, someone said 17,000. I'm getting replies like 14,000. Someone telling us 16,000. Okay. So the AllPro training price is 30,000 for the full course and flash course for the 10 hours workshop is 6,000. So if you need further offer, please reply as yes or offer in the chat. We are like to give offer for you for those who have specially attended this webinar today. So this special offer, please reply as yes or offer in the chat box. We are willing to give a special offer for those who attended the webinar today. So here is the 15 minutes special offer for those who attending webinar today. So we are providing full course at 60% offer price of 12K only. The RPA-Power Automate full course we are providing at 12,000. So the 35 hours RPA full course, Power Automate full course we are providing at rupees 12,000. And for the full course, flash course, it's 90% offer price for flash course. The 10 hours RPA Power Automate flash course, it is just 999 only. So this offer is only for another 15 minutes. So those who have attended this webinar, they'll be getting this offer. The RPA full course is just 12,000 and the RPA Power Automate flash course is just 999 only. So this offer is only for those who attended the webinar today, and it is valid for another 15 minutes only. So it's valid up to 7:20 only. So kindly make use of it. I'm sharing the payment link in the chat. So I have shared the payment link in the chat. So you can make payment and reserve your seat. So this offer is only for those who joined this webinar today, and it's only for 15 minutes. So the special bonuses you are getting is free interview or session. We'll be helping you with resume preparation and the professional certification guidance, lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation, and then job guidance. And your special advantages, you can clear your queries at any time with a trainer. So training is at your preferred timing. All your live classes will be recorded and you will get the recordings for both the full course and the flash course. And daily class notes and documents will also be provided. So this is a salary prediction. So if you are earning 3 lakhs per annum, so you might get 30% hike means you'll be getting 3.9 lakhs, and 80% hike means so you'll be getting 5.4 lakhs per annum. But if you upskill yourself, if you upskill yourself with this course, you may get a chance for getting 100% hike like 6 lakhs per annum. So if you are now getting 6 lakhs per annum salary, so if you don't upskill yourself, you may get like 60% hike like 9.6 lakhs per annum per salary. But if you upskill with this course, you may get a chance for 12 lakhs per annum salary. So kindly make use of it. I'm sharing so if you put a small investment in upskilling yourself, it will change your life. So I'm sharing the payment link in the screen also. You can pay using Paytm, PhonePe, or Google Pay, and also using the UPI ID. Also, you can use the QR code and you can make the payment. So those who are willing to join the flash course or full course, please use this opportunity. So I'm sharing the payment links. So again, I'm sharing the payment details. So for the RPA-Power Automate 35 hours course is just 12K and the flash course is just 999. So those who are willing to join, please make use of it. It's only for 15 minutes and only few seats. will be reserved for this offer. Please make use of it. So you can pay using these payment links. Paytm, PhonePe, and Google Pay numbers are shared in the screen. And also you can use this UPI ID to make the payment. I will share the payment links in the chat also. So kindly make use of it. So all your live classes will be recorded. You will be getting the recordings, and projects will be real-time projects will be given. So please make use of it. So once you make the payment, you can send the screenshot to us. I'm sharing the contact number also. You can send the screenshot in WhatsApp. I will share the contact number. So once you make the payment, please send a screenshot of your payment to the WhatsApp numbers which I have shared. So kindly make use of this. This offer is only for those who join the session today. So now I'll be sharing the feedback form link. So those who fill the feedback form link, they will be getting the e-certificate. So I have shared the feedback form link in the chat. Anyone please confirm once you receive the feedback form link. Please confirm in chat as yes. I hope you received the feedback. Anyone please confirm in chat whether you received the feedback form link. So those who fill the feedback form only will receive the e-certificate. The e-certificate will be sent to the mail ID which you have mentioned in the feedback form. So it will be sent to your mail within a week. So please fill the feedback form also. So the RPA-Power Automate full course price is just at 12,000, and the flash course, it is like 10 hours of live workshop. Kindly make use of it. It is 10 hours of live workshop at just rupees 999. So you can, I'm sharing the payment link again in the screen also. So if you are willing to join the workshop or full course, kindly make your payment and send this payment screenshot to us. So please make use of this opportunity. So you can learn at your preferred class timing. So the trainer is a well-experienced professional. You will get recordings of all your live classes and notes as well. You'll be doing real-time projects at very affordable prices. Please make use of it. So hope you have everyone received the feedback form link also. Please fill it to receive your e-certificate. Those who fill the feedback form will receive the e-certificate within a week. And thank you all for joining us today. We hope you found the session very informative and inspiring. So if you have any further queries or feedback, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to stay connected for updates on our upcoming training sessions. So have a wonderful evening ahead, and we look forward to seeing you in our future sessions. Thank you so much for joining us today. We can wind up the session now. Thank you all.